Hi guys, welcome back here to my channel. I don't do many videos in English, but I wanted to do something today with Adore Me because I just received their package and I just want to open up with you and share my honest review with it. So I do have a few pieces that I got from Adore Me about a month ago. I have a few pajamas and also lingerie, and it's super cute. Literally obsessed. Here's some photos I've taken. But I just got this new box and I'm just really excited to open and show it to you guys. So let's get into it. Okay, so first thing came into this box. Love it, super cute. And cute. So that's how it looks like. Box. And then I got a lot of stuff, so I'm really excited. But we're gonna open together and hopefully you guys will like it. So I do have some lingeries. I'll put, let's see, some over there. I also had a few swimming suits and also some pajamas. So excited. Wow. There's a lot in here. I forgot. So, yeah, I got pajamas for my sisters and my mom. And then tons. Oh my goodness. Literally, there's so much. I forgot that it was a lot of stuff. But let's get into it then. Let me close this box. And then let's see. Alright, so I got a pajama just like this one right here, and it was so cute. I really liked it, but I really wanted the plaid one, so I'm so happy I got it. I'll show it to you guys, the plaid one, and literally it's like so cute. So let's open together. Okay, so this, oh my gosh, so cute. So it's like a button-up shirt, and then we have the pants. So cute. Love it. Like I said, I already have the other one and I love it, so I'm so excited about this print. It's like so Christmas and super cute. I love it. And then I got some of those for my sisters and my mom. So I have sister, 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 and my mom. So we can all match and take cute pictures. So that is awesome. Also, there's sizing for pajamas. I got small. And normally I am extra small, too small. I like things to fit a little bit more loose. So I definitely sized up to the pajamas, so I got a size small. I got a size extra small for my sister just because she's shorter than me. But I would say if you like tight pajamas, then do extra small. But if you want to do a little bit more loose, do a small. On this kind though, because I have another kind that I got it as small, and they were like leggings style pajamas. So I would say size up. To be safe on pajamas. But lingerie, it's always, I think, a size down to make sure they fit right and they're tight, if that's what you prefer. So let's see. This one is also pajamas. I'm really excited. Let's see. So this one was just like a long sleeve pajamas. Oh, they're cute. Very soft. I like it. And I had no blues, so I grabbed this blue one. Super cute. Love it. Literally, it's like so soft. Cute. Alright, now let's see some of, we'll leave the lingerie for the last. I have some, what is this? Oh, the legging. Okay, I got one legging also because I know they have a lot of workout clothes on their website and I never tried some. So I got a black legging, and I'm excited. Okay, so I love those type of leggings, and it's really hard to find a good quality one. I used to have one, but it wasn't a good quality brand, so it just didn't, you know, didn't stay really well, and it kind of got bad really fast. So I'm excited for this one. Like I said, any workout clothes or lingerie get extra small, so this is an extra small. I want to try them on later to like see how I like them, but I'm excited because it's a legging, so it's supposed to not be see-through, so it's supposed to look good. Okay, now let's do oh, this looks like another pajama. I ordered this not too long ago, but I cannot remember what I ordered because I was so excited that I ordered a bunch of cute stuff. Oh yeah, so this one was a pajama set and I was really excited. So this is the pants and it's super cute. It has lace on the bottom, super cute. Ooh, I like it. Super cute and soft. And then there was a long sleeve top, which I also thought was super cute. It has lace over here, lace in the back. And I also ordered small just because, like I said, I like a looser fit in the pajamas, so these types of pajamas. Because some pajamas I like tight, but most of the time I like to be comfortable. So this one, the material is very similar to this. I would say maybe they are the same material because they're very similar. I like it. So this was super cute. Okay, so I think this is the swimming suit, which also I never got their swimming suit before. The only thing I've ordered from them was pajamas and a lingerie, so I'm excited to see how those will fit me, the legging and the swimming suit. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put the picture here of all the items that I ordered because like you can't tell what this looks like. I did get a size small on these just because I'm normally size extra small for swimming suits, but depending on the brand, I have a longer torso, so small will fit me better just that way. Sometimes it'll be a little bit loose this way, but I got the small and I think it looks like it will fit me. So I'm excited to try it out because it looks really cute. It has padding, which I like it. So super adorable. Ooh, I want to try it on. Okay, last but not least, I have here some of the lingerie I ordered and they're so cute, so I'm going to show you. Well, hopefully it will be cute in person. I think it will, but I got 4 sets of them and I'm excited. Those are like cute colors for Christmas, so super cute. Alright, so the first set is this one. It's like a swimming suit. Not a swimming suit, but it's like a one piece and it's so cute. I like it. I like it that it has like this thing on the waist right here. I think it's super cute. And the quality looks cute. I normally get extra small of those and yeah, so I did order extra small just because I'm very skinny, so I like them tight. But this one, so cute. I totally love the color. I think the color will look super cute. Super adorable. This one is cute. Let's see. Let's try this white one. Oh, this is a swimming suit. It's not lingerie. I remember. Okay, so this swimming suit, I wanted to be something different. So I got a black one because I think black ones always goes, and you always need a black swimming suit. So mine, the one I used to have is like so bad right now. I need to like throw it away. But then I saw this one and I was like, oh my gosh, like that is so cute. And it's super cute. It's like there's like lining in some parts and then some they don't have it on the side. But I love one piece swimming suits. I have a ton of them. I love it. Really cute. I want to try them on. That'll be so much fun. All right. Okay, next up is this black one. Let's see. Oh, that is cute. Wait. Oh, it does have separate. The underwear is separate. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And then this one, I had to order the same size as my bra, so they didn't have like small, medium, large. It's like your bra size, which I love it. Oh my gosh, I like the like thick straps. Looks so cool. So cute. I think it's really cute. I like it. Love the detail. Can I like open in here or just, oh no, it's just the detail. So cute. So this is the top, and then I did buy this bottom separate. Let's see. Oh yeah, they had different bottoms, and I ordered, oh no, not this one. The other one has different bottoms. So this one goes on your waist right here, and then it's like all lace. Super cute. Ooh, that would be so cute, like them together. So cute. Okay, next up, which I'm really excited, that's why I left this one for last, because this is like so Christmas. It's so cute. So this one, it's like a plaid Christmas. I love it. It's so cute. And then for this one, they had different types of bottoms. They had like chunky, they had thongs. They had all different styles. I can't remember which one I got it, but I thought it was cool that you could also change. Oh yeah, I think I got the sleek. So it's just like normal. Super cute. Ooh, I love it. So cute. And then this is the material. I thought it was going to be just normal, but it's, I think it's like satin. Looks good. So cute. I like it a lot. Wow, there's a lot. I love it. So cute. Okay, so I'm gonna try some on. This is the swimming suit. I think it's super cute. I like the lace. Let me turn it up. I like the lace. I think it's super cute. It's like super flattering right here. Super cute. I like it. Okay, so this is the swimming suit, the black one. I really like it. I think it's so cute. I like this part, this piece. Super cute. Okay, so this one is the black one with lace, and I think it's super cute. Has the pants also, and the pants also have lace on the bottom. Super cute, super comfy. Love it. Okay, so this one is the long sleeve blue one, which I really like it. It's a little bit too short for me, but I think it's so cute. I like a little bit longer pajamas, but literally so cute, so comfortable too. Okay, so this is the legging. Literally, I love it. It's so cute, and I think it fits super well. Like I said, this is the extra small, and I think it's so pretty. I love it. So cute. Okay, so this one is literally my favorite. I love those type of pajamas. So it has the bottom part with the satin lace right there, and the top is like a button-up shirt, as you can see. And what I really like about this, because I have the other one, is it's not too hot but also not too cold. So it's like a flannel, but a more soft flannel, and it's like perfect. Like, I wasn't hot at all wearing this, and it was so comfortable. I loved it. So this is definitely my favorite. This is the one I got it for my mom and my sisters, and I can't wait to take a picture and show it to you guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this super fast video. I just wanted to like open this with you guys and share. I love how they do subscription programs, and it's just like easy. You can come in, you can be a VIP member, buy things for way cheap, and you can change, you can select. I like that they have different styles. They have all sizing from like extra small to like double large. They have like all different sizings, which is great. And I do really love their quality. I feel like all the stuff I have from them, it's like super good quality, but it's not like $80, $90 just the top, just like other brands. So thanks for making this affordable. And literally I want to try some of those out and show it to you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed my little video. And if you did, please just give a thumbs up and then also subscribe on my channel. My channel is mainly in Portuguese, but sometimes I make videos in English here as well. But thank you so much, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye!